Hello everyone, my name is Alison. Today I'm going to show you how to use this ActivInspire Studio software to make a flip chart game called What I'm Missing for language students. Firstly, you place all these items or objects or keywords, key information on the flip chart. These are all the fruits here, and then you ask your students to separate themselves into 4 groups, A, B, C, and D. And then you give them 5 minutes to 10 minutes to learn to memorize all the information on the board. Afterwards, you click A and the 1, 2, 3, 4 informations are hidden. Then you ask group A to tell you the answers. Afterwards, you click the button A, then it shows the answers. Same again, B, and click again, it shows the answer. So how are we going to make this thing? Now I want to show you a simple thing first. So we'll go to a blank page. So if you go to Desktop Tools, as you can see on my mouse, I click on that, it shows the current screen. Then I go on Internet. I normally use clipart.com to find pictures I want to use. So now I search veggies. As you can see, there are lots of vegetables. For example, at the moment, if I want to use a carrot, I click on the carrot, I go mouse over to my desktop tools, I point to the camera, I want to choose Area Snapshot. I click on that, and now as you can see, this carrot is the area I want to take a picture of. So I click Current Page. Now I mouse over, go to this Desktop Tools, return to Flip Charts. As you can see, the picture is on my flip chart now. Same thing. I will go to this website and take another picture. If I want to take an onion, so I click, now the onion current page. Here we go back. As you can see, the onion and carrot is on the page. So I might just draw another object. I can choose shape here. I want to draw a face. Now I got to make a button. So this is my little button. So now what I want to do is, when I click on this little button, these 3 objects disappear, and then if I click again, it shows. So how are we gonna do that? Firstly, we got to group these 3 items together so they become one object. So I click on the carrot. Now, if you're using an Apple computer, you need to press on the button Command on your keyboard. If you're using a Windows computer, you press Control button. So now I press on Command and don't let go. So my mouse click on the onion and the face. Now as you can see, these 3 are together. So now I go on this. It says grouped, so I click. Now this group button become into yellow. So these 3 items are together, as you can see. Okay, now I click on my button. I need an action. The action is called hidden. So I click on the button already. I go to my browser. Now I click on this spinny top, which is the action browser. So there are about 500 actions there. So I choose hidden. Then my targets is not this one, not this one. My targets is these 3 objects grouped together. Okay, then I click Apply Changes. Now let's try. So Mouse over, click, they are hidden. Click again, they show. So now let's go back to our flip charts. Same thing, we click on A, these four buttons shows. I click again, they disappear. So if I go onto design mode, so I click this one, now I'm on design mode. That means all the actions are not working. So as you can see, I actually placed loads of buttons together. So these four things grouped together is just like our carrot, onion, and the smiling face. So now I click this button, go out of design mode. Now the actions are back. So you click on A, it shows. Click again, it disappeared. So this is a game you can play with your students. You can easily place all the information you want the students to learn on these blocks. You can make the blocks bigger or smaller. You can change all the veggies into keywords, fruits, veggies, sentences, or even very useful facts. So thank you very much. Hope you have learned.